Alrighty, so in this video I'm going to take you through the web version of the software, how to navigate it, and how to log in. So I'll make it nice and quick for you. All you have to do is come into the email that we sent you. It'll look exactly like this. You click this link and you'll be prompted with a page where you have to log in. For me, it should log straight in. Yep, as you can see, I'm already logged in as Connor. So you're just going to come here, you're going to use this username and this password, and then you should log into this screen. Here you'll be able to see all the opportunities. So we have a few pipelines, such as the initial conversation stage, and you'll be able to see all that's closed, open, lost. Same with the pipeline value. Once you complete the job, you'll tell us the price, and then we can look at that at the end of the month and see exactly how much we made you, stuff like that. Then if you scroll down, this will be important for you as well. You can see the current ads that we're running. So we're on day 1. We've only been running it for about 2 hours now. So 1 total click. You can see the impressions and everything. So that's everything you need for the dashboard. All this stuff, it doesn't matter too much. This is the next important stage. So conversations. Any conversations that you want to see that we're having with potential clients, you can come in and click this conversations tab and you'll be able to see. So as you see, someone's already replied, I need a job, and our automations have sent off a message to him. And yeah, the next and probably the most important thing is the calendar. So as you can see, the calendar is titled free quote. It's your job to come in here and book an appointment every time that you book your own appointment. If you don't do that, then it'll be a lot of double booking, and our clients will be able to book in that slot on the actual calendar booking process, and yeah, it'll cause everything to be double booked. So the only job you have is to come into this, click book appointment. I made a little example for you, but you click add new and then enter the details of the booking. For me, I already did that, so go to the example. Once you've done that, it will come up with this page. So if this is not selected, make sure you select free quote, and then that should be default. So here you want to click custom. So once you click custom, you'll be able to add in your job. So let's say start time 3 o'clock, and you think the job's going to take a couple hours, so you can give yourself as much time as you need. We'll say 5 o'clock. Just pretend that went to 5. Yeah. 15. 5 o'clock. Righty, so then you can put a little title. So with the titles, just write Ryan booked appointment, so that we know that you booked it, and then book the appointment. Simple as that. So it'll come in here. This time slot will then be taken up, so all the people that were getting to fill in the forms, they won't be able to book there. So I'm just going to cancel that, so they can still book there just in case they want to. And yeah, so this is the most important stage. As you can see, conversations, dashboard, you don't have to worry about the launchpad at all. You won't need to worry about the contacts. If you want to come into the contacts, if you ever need to, say this is the guy we're talking to right now. Once he fills in the form, we'll add his email and his number, so you can come in and see the tag, his new lead. This is me, this is Connor, this is my other account. So you'll be able to get our numbers, Connor's number if you need. Opportunities, I'm not too sure it'll even come up on the app version, but you don't need to worry about that. It'll come very clear once we've been working together for a bit. This stuff you won't need to worry about at all. So yep, that's about it. Most important part is the calendars. You have to make sure you come in and book whenever you have your own booking, so we don't double book. Other than that, not too much to worry about. Thank you very much.